Hello, it's Lewis from Vevox here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your session so that you can use it again. So here we have a session that I've already used. What I want to do is go and clear this session so that I can reuse it another time. Now you can clear the results from this section here by clicking the three dot icon and then going to delete. So you can clear your responses in your poll and responses as well if you want to delete the entire thing. However, you have to do that individually with each poll. If you just want to reset your session to be a blank slate ready to use again, go to Data. I would advise downloading your data report before you do this, just so that you have the data to hand. So click download and get that data report. But once you've done that, you can hit reset session. It will double check to make sure you're happy, because once you've cleared it, you can't get the results back and it cannot be undone. However, once you're happy, press reset and you can see that my total participants is now 0, interactions is 0, the polls are now empty, I've got nothing in my Q&A board, so it's ready to be reused for another group of people. That's it for this video, but if you have any other questions, please do contact us at support@vevox.com. Go to help.vevox.com for more videos like this, or contact us via the live chat as well. Thanks very much, and I shall see you on the next one.